Hey Alexis, I think this is the one that you're referring to. It was just easier for me to make a quick video to try to talk you through it. If this isn't the one that you're asking me about, please, feel free to ask again. So basically we want to identify the asymptote, the horizontal asymptote, and plot 2 points. So with these, you want the exact value, so you're going to just plot the points in terms of E. So the first thing I would notice is that, we would know that just regular e to the x, would just be like this, where the horizontal asymptote is the x-axis. It would go through 0, 1 in 1e, which is just a little bit less than 3. So if we have this plus 4, that means that instead of the x-axis being the horizontal asymptote, it would be at 4. So that's the first thing I'm going to plot. So like if this was, 1/3 x to the e to the x plus 1 minus 2, then I would have made the horizontal asymptote at -2. All right, so now to plot a couple points. Again, just do this in terms of e. So for example, I'm going to select values of x that are going to make it easy on me. So if I plug in -1 for x, I would have e to the -1 plus 1, or e to the 0. Anything to the 0 power is 1. So let's go ahead and put -1 in for x. So that means that e to the 0 is 1. I'm just looking at 1/3 plus 4 for my y coordinate. So 1/3 plus 4 would be 4 1/3, which would be what, 13/3. And I can put it in just like that. So then when I plot this, again, that point should be above the horizontal asymptote, so that looks about right. Now let's plot another point. Again, make it easy on yourself. If I make this a 0, so let's put 0 in for x, then this would just be e to the 1. So I would have 1/3 e plus 4. And that's exactly how you can plot it. So this would be 1/3. See, you have the E button, so E plus 4. Okay, and that looks about right, because I know the basic shape that the curve should look like. So then I'll hit graph. Okay, that looks pretty good to me, and I'll hit check, and that looks good. So again, with most of these, you're going to have to look at the number that's being added or subtracted to the function to identify where the horizontal is going to be, and then just make it easy on yourself with respect to plotting points. So plotting points for x values of 0, or something that's going to make the exponent 0, like in this case -1, are going to be the easiest points to plot. So anyway, I hope that helped. Please let me know if it didn't.